How are you? How are you? Fine, thank you. Good. Nice meeting you in this wonderful ambience, Naren.
Yeah.
Naren, I have a couple of questions to ask you. We have been doing a lot of programs together for corporates. We go to corporates, we do leadership programs. You do quite a lot of leadership programs, sales training programs, and executive development programs, personal effectiveness. I can tell you the list of programs which you do across the country.
Okay.
But when we meet clients, especially when I meet corporate clients where hundreds of people working in the organization, the management always says, the HR always says that they want to take people out. Okay. They don't want to just have fun within the classroom sessions.
Okay.
So how do you feel? What do you really feel? How it can be really done?
Okay. So let's first of all understand one thing. Inside every trainer, there is an entertainer. Okay. A trainer has got the ability to entertain people also. This is a strength which has been with us for a long time. But since we've been doing only serious programs, we're becoming serious. I think it's a good idea for us to take the employees out for a day, and we can do a lot of activities, right, without even telling them why are we doing those activities. The kind of fun they'll have with those activities is one way of learning that they don't learn it even in a classroom.
Okay.
Typically, we can talk about bringing 300 to 3,000 people at a time into an activity. That's the kind of capacity I'm sure many trainers do have. And this idea of whatever you are telling now, right, can we do something like bringing them out? It sounds very good.
Okay.
And in fact, Mr. Prakash was also talking to me about this. If we can come up with some kind of a product, our trainers will be in a position to assist you in this.
It's very nice. Mr. Naren, like for example, assume that, hypothetically speaking, tomorrow I will bring about 500 people to this, let us say this resort.
Okay.
And you will be given an opportunity to handle 500 people at one go. So what kind of activities typically you would like to do?
Okay, let me tell you one thing, right? There are hundreds of activities that can be done. For example, right, I'll just give you a simple thought. I'll just give a balloon in the hands of the participants, and I'll tell them to blow it and keep it in the air for 2 minutes. Whichever team's balloon stands in the air for 2 minutes, right, the kind of fun they'll have is very good.
Okay.
Because for all you know is, they'll not only focus on their balloon, they also need to focus on others' balloons. Alright? So here is a message which goes telling that, are you only focusing on your work, are you also focusing on the organization?
Okay. You mean to say that your activity also brings a kind of a debriefing where kind of a learning?
If you ask me, right, strictly let us not do any debriefing, because we call them for fun and let the fun be there.
Absolutely.
But I'm sure that through their subconscious level, they'll also understand that there's a learning inside this activity.
Okay. You mean to say that you do these kind of activities already in few places, or this is the first time you are going to launch?
We do activities, we do a debriefing. But when it comes to these kind of research kind of activities, we have not tried our hands in that. Because people feel trainers cannot give that kind of entertainment.
Alright.
But now what I'm trying to tell you is, trainers are capable enough to give you entertainment. Trainers can also give you learning. And we can do it at a phase in which people can enjoy the program. It is not just jumping, music, loudness.
Okay.
It can be everything with a subconscious level of learning.
Okay. I have a serious question which one of the HR managers used to ask me. By taking people out from office to do a kind of resort kind of a program, is it going to add value in terms of productivity?
My question is, if you don't take, what value are you adding to it? By making them sit in the office for 1 year fully, are you adding any value to them? If that question has an answer, then this question will have an answer.
Which means this should be part of the HR, even I would say performance management system, where the learning and development perspective, L&D perspective, should have kind of outing and fun-based activities for employees.
Definitely it is required for everybody in this world, because I cannot keep working all the 365 days in my life. Once in a while, as an organization, including the MD, the CEO, VP, everybody should come to the common ground, and they should feel that they are one among the people over there. They should enjoy it thoroughly with the kind of activities what they are going to do.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's very interesting, and I'm sure people who watch this video would have got some benefits, would have got some inputs why we should take people out and do training program for them, so that they get motivated more and more other than the regular classroom sessions. So thank you very much, Mr. Naren, having come all the way to...
I'll be very happy to do a program for you.
Absolutely. Look forward to. Thank you.